Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about red potatoes, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with red potatoes. So if you're looking for some new ideas, something a little different to do with your red potatoes, hopefully this will help you out. Red potatoes go well with basil, bay leaf, capers, caraway seeds, cardamom, cayenne, celery seeds, chervil, chicory, cilantro, cinnamon, cloves, coriander, cumin, curry powder and curry spices, dill, fenugreek, garam masala, garlic, ginger, horseradish, lavender, lovage, marjoram, mint, mustard powder, nutmeg, oregano, paprika, parsley, pepper, rosemary, saffron, sage, salt, savory, sorrel, tarragon, thyme, and turmeric. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.